Hello guys, in this video, we'll interface our microcontroller MSPM0 with ADS111 sensor. So let's get started. First we'll take a on interval node. We'll take a array create node to store our data in array format. We'll select declaration type as declare with value. In the values, we'll enter 1. At index 0, value is 1. Data type uint A. In the output we'll get array, which will be stored in array variable, ARR variable. To interface with ADS sensor, we'll need a I2C communication. For I2C communication, we'll take a I2C node. I2C transfer node. Connect with the flow in the I2C transfer node properties. We'll configure our I2C port. In the I2C port, we'll select I2C 0. SDA pin port, we'll select port B. SDA pin 3. SCL pin port, we'll select port B. SCL pin 2. In the advanced, we'll enter I2C frequency in Hertz. SDA pull down is disabled. We'll deselect SDA inversion, SDA hysteresis, SDA wake up. SCL pull up or pull down will disable it. SCL inversion, SCL hysteresis and SCL wake up will deselect it. Clock select will select BUSCLK and the divide ratio will select divide by 2 and the transmitter first in first out level will select 1 byte and the receiver first in first out will select 1 byte. Click on add. In the address, we want to access the register of which has divide configuration data. Its slave address is 48 hexadecimal. In decimal is 72. We have to enter a decimal value. In the read or write, we'll select write. Here we'll pass data. In the data we'll pass a variable array to point register 1. In the advanced, we'll select start enable, stop enable and acknowledge enable. In the output parameter will get data. Click on done. To read the register, first we have pointed the register. Now we'll read that register. So we'll take one more I2C transfer node, connect with the flow. In the properties, I2C port will select a configure node. In the address, we'll pass 72. In read or write, we'll select read. Transmit length, we'll enter 2, transmit length 2. In the output, we'll get data which will be in array format. We'll get two elements in the array at index 0 and index 1 as it's a 16-bit resolution. So first element will be MSV and the second element will be LSV. Click on done. Now we'll take a display node to print our data on serial display. Connect with the flow in the display node. We'll enter first byte data index 0. Click done. We'll take one more display node to print the second byte on serial display. Display node will next second byte plus our variable data index is 1. Click on done. Save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. I have to select my port, I haven't selected. Let's upload. Wait for some time. Let's go to our serial display. Select save from file, and here as we can see we got our data. First byte which is at tens place, in decimal it's 133, and second byte at unit place, in decimal it's 131. And this is our device configuration data.